Fourth rule is very similar with third rule. This rule says that if del n by del x minus del m by del y divided by m is a function of y alone, say g of y, then integrating factor of this differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is e raised to integral g of y dy. So in third rule, what we were doing, we were checking del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n is function of x, and here there is interchange of terms. So remember, so here partial derivative of n is second term. Okay, so we are dividing by n. Here partial derivative of m is second term and we are dividing by m. Now this is function of x. So second term differentiation with respect to x. Here function of x. Here second term differentiation with respect to y, and this is function of y alone. So second terms are important. So given differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0, if it is homogeneous differential equation, then and mx plus ny is non-zero, then first rule can be used. In second rule, you will have the functions of the form x into f of xy, y into g of xy of this form. In third and fourth rule, you need to check partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x. You may interchange the sign, divide by m, n, and check whether you will get function of one variable alone. Okay. Proof of this fourth rule is homework. We solve example based on fourth rule. Solve y raised to 4 plus 2y dx plus xy cube plus 2y raised to 4 minus 4x dx equal to 0. Here m is y raised to 4 plus 2y, n is xy cube plus 2y raised to 4 minus 4x. Now del m by del y is 4y cube plus 2, del n by del x is y cube minus 4. These two are different terms, so this differential equation is not exact. Now we check what is del n by del x minus del m by del y divided by m. It is this minus this, so y cube minus 4y cube, it is minus 3y cube minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 divided by m. M is y raised to 4 plus 2y So here we take minus 3 common, so minus 3 into y cube plus 2. In the denominator we take y common, so it is y cube, y into y cube plus 2. So the term y cube plus 2 gets cancelled, and this is function of y only. Say g of y, it is minus 3 upon y, and now integrating factor is e raised to integral g of y dy, so it is minus 3 upon y dy. So if is integrating factor is, so this is e raised to minus 3 integration of dy upon y, it is log of y, so e raised to minus 3 log y, that is e raised to log of y raised to minus 3, and exponential, logarithm, these are inverse functions of each other, so their composition is identity. So this is simply y raised to minus 3. Now we multiply given equation by y raised to minus 3 and we get exact differential equation. Multiplying given differential equation by y raised to minus 3 we get. So it is y raised to minus 3 into y raised to 4 plus 2y dx plus y raised to minus 3 into xy cube plus 2y raised to 4 minus 4x dx equal to 0. We can further simplify. So this is y plus 2 y raised to minus 2 dx, and this is x plus 2 y minus 4 xy raised to minus 3. Here I should write dy. So dy equal to 0. And this is of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. And we can verify that this is exact. So del m1 by del y is, with respect to y it is 1. This is minus 2 into 2, so minus 4 y raised to minus 3, and del n1 by del x, it is, with respect to x it is 1, and here it is minus 4 y raised to minus 3, so these two are same. So this, say, one is exact. Now its solution is, using formula, integration of m1 with respect to x, we keep y constant, plus integration of n1 with respect to y, where we take terms which are free from x, terms free from x, and equal to constant of integration. So this with respect to x, and we keep y constant, so there is no x, so integration is x, integration of 1 is x, so y plus 2y raised to minus 2 integration dx plus, we take terms in n1 which are free from x, so this contains x, this is free from x, so 2y, this also contains x, that's all. Okay, this is the only term in n1 which is free from x, dy equal to c. So this is y plus 2y raised to minus 2 into x plus, this is y square equal to c, and this is required solution of given differential equation. Thank you.